In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Yahoo web search history on Yahoo Mail. If you've noticed past searches popping up when you use Yahoo Search or the search bar inside Yahoo Mail, those suggestions come from your Yahoo account's search history. Clearing it is quick, and it helps protect your privacy and tidy up your suggestions. This process clears your Yahoo web search history stored with your account. It's different from deleting your browser's history, which you would manage separately in your browser settings. Start by opening any web browser you like. At the very top of the window, click into the address bar. That's the field where you normally type website addresses. Now type search.yahoo.com history. Exactly as you hear it, all one word, and then press enter. This takes you straight to Yahoo's search history page, which is where Yahoo keeps a record of your searches tied to your signed in account. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so Yahoo can load your history. Once the page opens, you should see your search history area. This is the dashboard that shows the searches Yahoo has saved for your account. To remove everything, look for the option labeled Clear History. Click it. Yahoo will ask you to confirm since this action removes your saved search entries. When you see the confirmation prompt, click Delete to finalize. After you confirm, your Yahoo search history is cleared. The next time you type in the Yahoo search bar, including inside Yahoo Mail, you shouldn't see your old search terms suggested. Keep in mind, this only affects Yahoo's saved search history. If you still see suggestions from your browser itself, you may also need to clear your browser's own search or address bar history, which is a separate setting. A couple of quick tips to help you going forward. If you want to keep your Yahoo suggestions clean, consider clearing your history periodically using the same page you just visited. Also, if you're working on a shared or public computer, it's a good habit to sign out of your account when you're done to prevent your searches from being associated with the next user. That's it. You opened your browser, went to search.yahoo.com history, pressed enter, selected search history, clicked clear history, and confirmed by clicking delete. Simple, fast, and effective for keeping your Yahoo experience private and clutter-free.